Okay, this is the AC information. This is the original 360 camera. You can set by the menu. And the original navigation. It supports the original navigation. This is the original Bluetooth. This is my phone call. You can call by the dash. This is the source. You can link information. And this is the audio. Support if any radio. You can listen radio while running navigation, and the sound of the navigation by a small speaker. Okay, and also support HDD. And CD, but because we have removed the dash, so only one CD in the DVD loader. The new screen audio output by aux. So if we screen to aux, if we switch to AUX, the top screen will become black.
你可以放更大的音量关小一点，关小。
那上下曲呢？
有，你往左右搬就是上下曲，就刚才那个，对。
没反应哦。没反应哦。If you switch the audio source to aux, the screen will become black. You need to press navigation phone or camera. The screen will show other information. Okay. Otherwise, the screen will always black. And the unit retain all the original radio and sound system, so very good sound quality. By the way, the original 360 camera very distinct, so better to replace the 360 camera. OK，
可以了。
哇，这个车真的。